Are you tired of struggling to send files on Discord? You know that moment when you need to share a screenshot or a document and you just can't find the right button? Believe me, I get it. It is way more common than you think. But after this short tutorial, you'll be able to send any file, from a quick image to a big PDF, in just a few seconds. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to select to upload any file in under 30 seconds. No confusing menus, no digging through settings. Just a simple, repeatable process that works every single time. So let's start where you always do. Open up Discord and navigate to the channel where you want to send the file. It could be a direct message with a friend or a channel in a server you're in. Just get yourself to the chat box where you normally type. Now, look at the left side of that chat bar. Do you see a small plus icon? It might be a little circle with a plus sign inside it. Right there. That is your golden ticket. That little button opens up the file sharing menu. Go ahead and click that plus button. A menu will pop up. Don't be intimidated by the options. What you want to do is select Upload a File. It's usually one of the first choices in that list. Just click on it. Your computer's File Explorer will open up. This is the same window you use when you save a document or open a photo on your own computer. So take a moment and navigate to the file you want to share. Maybe it is that report you just finished, or a funny GIF you saved. Find it. Click on the file to select it. And then, down in the bottom right corner of that File Explorer window, click the button that says Open or Upload. Discord will take it from here. Now, a small loading bar will appear next to your message box. Just let the file upload. Larger files, like videos or high-res images, will take a little longer. Smaller files, like a simple text document, will be almost instant. Just give it a moment. And here is a nice touch. You can type a message to go along with your file. Something like, "Here's that screenshot you asked for," or "Take a look at this draft." It is completely optional, but it really helps add context. When you are ready, just press the Enter key on your keyboard to send it. Your file and your message will appear in the channel for everyone to see. Take a quick second to verify that it popped up. You should see a little preview of the file or the file name right there in the chat. And that's it. You have successfully shared a file on Discord. And that's really all there is to it. As someone who creates tutorials like this all the time, I can tell you this is by far the fastest and most reliable method. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with a friend who might be struggling with the same thing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.